Pranam Satya and hello fellow sapiens, you're watching Mo Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today we are heading towards Kumta and Honavar, which are the coastal places in Karnataka, and we'll also try and capture the mileage of the Marauder, that is my Thar rocks, when we are there. Let's see, because we are going through different situations here. We'll go through the ghats, so there is ghat driving, and then the narrow roads of the coastal places in Karnataka, because those places there are not many good roads over there as far as I've heard. Let's go and explore there, come back. Once we come back to Sirsi, we'll fill up the tank again and see what the mileage would be. Setting trip meter to 0. There is the Sirsi Kumta road, has bad patches in between. So as I've told you already, all types of situations and routes will be encountered today, as far as I know. But apart from a few bad patches till now, majority of the stretch is good. Of course, this is not a very smooth road, though it might seem so on the camera. It's like this road has very minute undulations. It's like unsettling feeling when you are driving on this road. But yeah, let's see. It's majorly good. Bad patches again. So the ghat roads have started, guys, and here's the temple and an amazing view. Wow. The road is under construction. Half of the road is completed. It's concrete here. Guys, the ghat road cannot be classified as the best in condition, nor can it be classified as the worst, because wherever the roads are ready, though single lane in some places, the roads are good, but in places there are bad patches too. So yeah, that's how the condition is, which I believe is the apt condition for our mileage test. As we have descended the ghats, and the tar road condition here is not too good. So yeah, just reporting. Look at the road condition, guys. It is like this since we have descended. It is not at all good. And these are tar roads. My God. Guys, narrow roads, as I had told you. These are the coastal regions of Karnataka. And we are somewhere near Kumta. Guys, we are going towards Bada beach now, near Kumta, and again we have encountered a narrow road which takes us towards the beach. So as you can see, the construction work is going on in these ghats. This is called Devi Mane Ghat, and one of the lanes is done, the other lane is still pending. These are concrete roads, so The traffic and the movement of vehicles is quite slow here because both sides of the traffic should go in a single lane. So that's a challenge here. So guys, as you have seen, I have filled up the petrol up to auto cutoff, and the mileage that this Thar Rocks diesel manual 4x4 version has delivered is 11.6. So as you can see, the trip meter is reading almost 265 kilometers, and the diesel quantity that went into the fuel tank is about 22.85 liters. So it comes out to 11.6 kilometer per liter roughly, and that's what the realistic mileage is. So I hope this has helped you. Request to like, share, subscribe, and as I usually say, pour down your emotions in the comment section below. Hope this video has helped you in getting the realistic mileage of this vehicle in ghat sections and when there is traffic and in narrow roads. Thanks for watching. Ciao.